In this video, you will learn how to troubleshoot Equity mobile banking app on Android. Restart your Android device. Reboot your device to clear temporary glitches affecting the app. Check for internet connection. Ensure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is stable and working correctly. Update the Equity mobile banking app. Go to the Play Store or install any available app updates. Clear the app cache and data. Open settings, apps, Equity mobile bank, storage and clear stash. Check your Android system update. Install any pending system updates to ensure its compatibility with the app. Reinstall. If you need to reinstall the app, uninstalling and reinstalling the app will fix any errors. Now you know how to troubleshoot Equity mobile banking app on Android. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.